This is Narasimha Kumar. Welcome to Akshaya Money Management for the May series. Nowadays, the COVID cases are increasing. The common asked question is, will market going to fall like last year? Last year we have seen the 40% fall in 15 sessions. So will market going to fall? Because today, every day basis, we are seeing 4 lakhs to 5 lakh cases, the new cases are coming. So let me analyze these data points, and after that one, let us see whether market will go into the upward direction or in the downward direction. So let us start. Nowadays, we have a lot of negativity news. If you see the news, or it may be social media, everywhere negativity is there. But will the market see in the same way how the common man see? We should understand how the market will steady. So market always see positiveness in the negative situation. Corona cases are increasing, but there is a vaccination also increasing day by day. So market is considering this situation will going to end or will going to flatten in some time from now. And the second negativity, yes, but to take a vaccination, there's no vaccination. That's what all news channels are flooded. But again, market will consider, yes, as of now, vaccinations are not available in India. But if you see the latest news, each and every country is ready to support India. It may be Singapore, it may be Saudi, it may be Russia. So all the countries are supporting, either it may be oxygen cylinders, or it may be vaccination, or it may be ventilators. So each and every country is supporting to come out India with this pandemic. Third, commonly negative what we see in the all the news channels is deaths. India is going into the almost like a 3,000 per day basis death. But again, market sees not this way, market sees in the other way direction. So if you see this graph, India among the all other countries, this is a table says about 1 million population, what is the death rate? So Italy is the highest. In the 1 million population, if you see 2,000 people are dying it. But whereas in India, in this list, almost somewhere in 14th position it is there, every 1 million, 135 people are dying it. So market will always see this kind of positivity because these numbers can go down very fast when the vaccination increases. So these all now a few of the points where from the last 3 months market is not ready to fall. If you see the strong support is we are seeing is at the Nifty level 14,200. So it was in the range bound, and if you see, even though a lot of negativity is there, market had fallen hardly 2%. So this shows market is thinking something different than the what common man is. If you see in the recently, RBI governor has announced a lot of small finance companies some relief and also loans for the COVID patients. So these are some of the stimulus packages. Market does not like the word called as a full lockdown. Yes, you know it here and there in Mumbai, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. There are a lot of our pockets we are seeing the lockdowns happening, but not a full lockdown. Because last year, if you see what happened in the month of April when the lockdown happened, entire GST collection gone to the bottom. Today, if you see, GST collection is all-time high. That shows economy is not affected, and this is the data up to March end. If you see, April, we had beaten the previous high. It is 1.4 lakhs crores is been GST collected in April 2021. So this is the word good signs where market always consider this resulting to the earnings of the companies, very good company earnings we have seen in the last quarter. So if you see, I always says PE when it is low, you should invest it. When it is high, you should exit it. So if you see my February March series videos, I always tell regular profit booking is important. Now I'm saying you should start investing your money into staggered manner, because if you see here, Nifty is been corrected from the 41 PE, which is February, now it is came down to 30 PE, which is attractive. So market is seeing these kind of valuations, and it is continuously money is being flowing into the equity market. This is about the large cap. When you see about the mid cap, it is very attractive. If you see, September was a peak in the mid cap PE where we saw all-time high 785 PE. Now it has been correction down to almost 39 PE. We have seen it. So it shows that earnings of the company, the mid-cap company, is very strong. Some of the companies, like if I name it, Alchemy, Deepak Nitrite, this all like a 2 times, 3 times of the profits they are seeing it compared to the last March. This market last year, the one-way rally what happened from the April 2020 to almost all Jan 2021. That is because of only two things. One is liquidity, second is also liquidity. In the last year, almost $4.9 trillion has been dumped as a stimulus package from USA. Now, this year, if you see it in 2020 to 2022, is almost $9 trillion is planning to give it as a stimulus package. When so much of liquidity is there, you can guess what will be the market from now. So this is the expert saying. So till the 2019, we have seen the hardly market is given 4% CAGR. From 2020 April onwards, maybe next 2 years, we may see CAGR of 22% returns in the next coming 2 years. So be ready. So do not think like a other common man. You are an investor. You should see positivity in the negative. Thank you. Thank you for watching Akshay Money Management YouTube channel. We'll connect in the next series. Thank you.